Hey everybody, it's Tom and T from Show Me Coasters, and today's video is going to be something that we haven't done in a while.
In 3 years, so as you may know, we already know what we're going to get for 2021, which is Catwoman's Whip. So we're going to predict from 2022 to 2026, the 5-year prediction for Six Flags St. Louis here. So you want to jump right in?
Sure, I think that they're going to continue with the 50th anniversary for Six Flags St. Louis, and that'll be the year we're going to get some kind of an RMC, either RMC Boss or a Raptor.
See, for me, especially what's going on with Six Flags, as you may know if you keep current with amusement industry news, Six Flags has laid off a lot of their full-time staff. So, yes, 2021 they will have the full complete season, but I think they're gonna still go into the cheap route. For me, I think it's gonna be a water park expansion. They'll probably get like some kind of water park, maybe a coaster. But what I would like to see for Six Flags St. Louis, if you've been to this park during the summer, especially during the holidays, Memorial Day, 4th of July, Father's Day, Mother's Day, there's a line, and it shouldn't be. Or that tells me that our water park is too small. So yes, I pick the water coaster, but I would love to see them have some kind of a pool where it's just to accommodate more of the public ability to just relax and relax.
You mean more of a regular pool?
Yeah, like a pool, like a big swimming pool, like not quite as big as Coconut Cove and Worlds of Fun, but something to expand the accommodation for the water park.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind seeing something that's similar to the one that they have at Six Flags Great America at their water park.
Yeah,
that's a nice sized little pool there
with some side complex, but
yeah,
that would help. More. You put a lounge chair and stuff for people to relax. So let's go 2023.
So 2023, I think we're going to get something similar. Well, I think we're going to get a flat ride, and I think it's going to be that Zamperla Air Race. I really do. Depending upon how well it goes over at Six Flags Fiesta, generally if they get something that's popular, we usually get something similar not too long after.
I'm going to go a different route. 2023, I noticed that our park, if you've been to other Six Flags park, do not have a true a kiddie coaster. So, but Six Flags Discovery did add the Wile Miles. So I'm going to go with the Wile Miles or some kind of kiddie coaster for Six Flags St. Louis in 2023.
Yeah, I could see that.
So let's go 2024.
Now, see, for 2024, I think that's when we'll see possibly the water coaster or a water park edition. I think they'll move it down a little more. But like you said, there's a lot of things that they could do to our water park that could really improve it a lot. Just
expand. I know it's probably about only 30 acres. It needs to be about 55 acres. Just adding a pool or something would accommodate more of the public. Yeah. My pick for 2024, my pick is some kind of RMC. Maybe RMC the Boss. They're not expensive, folks. I think Gwazi was 7.4 million, so was Steel Vengeance.
Steel Vengeance was only like
it's either that or a Raptor.
Yeah,
about the same price.
They're all about the same price. Yeah.
So that's my pick for 2024.
So for 2025, I'm thinking that that's going to be the year that they finally get off their butts and retheme the studio backlot to Gotham City. And it would be really nice. I mean, I think I could see him adding another flat ride over there, and then taking and putting the over-the-shoulder, the soft restraints on Ninja. And retheming that to like Riddler or something like that.
I'm gonna pick a flat rides of some kind. Maybe it's an air race, like the one that Six Flags Fiesta, or a different one we haven't seen before. So we're not gonna keep repeating the same thing that other park has. Sometimes they give you something completely new.
Yeah, like this year, what we were supposed to get.
So 2026, last year, what's your pick on this?
Well, I think that this could be the year this could be the decade that we actually get like two major coasters. and I think that if they RMC the Boss, I think what we'll see is an Aquaman Power Splash. Is that Zamperla?
Yeah.
No,
Mack.
The Mack Power Splash.
Yeah.
So that's what I see coming in our future. And I think that it really depends on how well it goes over at Six Flags Texas.
For my pick for 2026 is our kids ride is the collection is very low. We haven't addressed that over a decade, so I'm gonna multiple package ride, flat ride for the kids in 2026. Maybe even create a Bugs Bunny Boomtown or Super Friend area for the little ones. Put like where excess chemical is. It don't have to be one area. So that is our predictions for Six Flags St. Louis 5-year plans from 2022 to 2026. This is T.
This is Tom.
So give us the feedback on what you thought of our picks for the 5-year for Six Flags St. Louis. Have a good night.
Have a great night.
Thank you.